Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check if you have an SSD or an HDD installed in your computer. Generally SSDs are more have a more fast speed than as compared to HDD, so if you want to check if you have installed an SSD or HDD, which means a hard disk in your PC or laptop on Windows 10. So first of all, in order to check it, you'll have to right click on your taskbar, and then you'll have to click on task manager. After that, a new window will appear in front of you, where you'll be able to find all the applications that are running in your background and all the stuff. And you'll have to click on performance on the top, that is the second option. And after that you'll be able to find CPU, memory, Wi-Fi, hard disk, and graphics settings. Now what you'll have to do is to click on disk, and right here you'll be able to find an option of type, and next to it it will be written HDD or SSD. In my case it's an SSD, and the capacity of SSD is 239 gigabytes, and it's a system disk, and in your case it might be an HDD. It will be written right here next to the type option, and you can easily check by simply navigating to the task manager and heading over to the performance section. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.